Welcome to our channel MCQ1. In today's topic we will going to cover Chemistry MCQ 2024. So let's start the video. The radioactive isotope of hydrogen is called tritium, deuterium, protium, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The radioactive isotope of hydrogen is called tritium. Percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate is 80%, 30%, 40%, 20%. The correct answer is option C. Percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate is 40%. Geometric isomerism is usually found in alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, esters. The correct answer is option B. Geometric isomerism is usually found in alkenes. Which solids are called true solids? Metallic, amorphous, crystalline, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Crystalline solids are called true solids. The structure of ethane is angular, trigonal, linear, trigonal planar. The correct answer is option C. The structure of ethane is linear. First organic compound synthesized in laboratory was tartaric acid, ethyl alcohol, methanol, urea. The correct answer is option D. First organic compound synthesized in laboratory was urea. The property of carbon chain formation is called catenation, hybridization, polymerization, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The property of carbon chain formation is called catenation. The organic compounds having very high molecular weight are called carboxylic acids, ketones, aldehydes, polymers. The correct answer is option D. The organic compounds having very high molecular weight are called polymers. Sodium carbonate is produced by lead chamber process, ammonia solvay process, Decaun's process, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Sodium carbonate is produced by ammonia solvay process. Which of the following can be used in laptops? Lead accumulator, fuel cell, nickel cadmium cell, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Nickel cadmium cell can be used in laptops. Chlorination of water may be harmful if the water contains ammonia, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The correct answer is option C. Chlorination of water may be harmful if the water contains carbon dioxide. Reaction in which heat evolves is called endothermic, spontaneous, non-spontaneous, exothermic. The correct answer is option D. Reaction in which heat evolves is called exothermic. Organic compounds are soluble in polar solvent, non-polar solvent, water, carbon. The correct answer is option B. Organic compounds are soluble in non-polar solvent. Metallic crystals are soluble in polar solvent, non-polar solvent, fused metal, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Metallic crystals are soluble in fused metal. Some substances are good conductor of electricity in both the solid and liquid states. These substances are generally ionic substances, metallic substances, molecular solids, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Metallic substances. The attractive forces between the partial positive end of one molecule and partial negative end of other molecule are called dipole-dipole forces, van der Waals forces, London dispersion forces, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. The attractive forces between the partial positive end of one molecule and partial negative end of other molecule are called dipole-dipole forces. Hydrocarbons which burn with smoky flame are called aliphatic, alicyclic, aromatic, aldehyde. The correct answer is option C. Hydrocarbons which burn with smoky flame are called aromatic. The phenomena in which a compound exists in two or more crystalline forms is called isomorphism, polymorphism, allotropy, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The phenomena in which a compound exists in one or two crystalline form is called polymorphism. Buckyballs is an allotropic form of sulfur, carbon, silicon, uranium. The correct answer is option B. Buckyballs is an allotropic form of carbon. Compound containing benzene ring in their structure are called aliphatic, aromatic, carboxylic acid, carbohydrates. The correct answer is option B. Compound containing benzene ring in their structure are called aromatic. Furines and pyrimidines are enzymes, nitrogenous bases, carbohydrates, lipids. The correct answer is option B. Furines and pyrimidines are nitrogenous bases. Mass spectrometer is used to determine mass number of isotopes and atomic number, relative abundance, electronic configuration, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Mass spectrometer is used to determine mass number of isotopes and relative abundance. Which of the following method is used to estimate hydrogen in an organic compound? Combustion method, distillation method, filtration method, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Combustion method is used to estimate hydrogen in an organic compound. Electron was discovered by Michael Faraday, James Maxwell, J.J. Thomson, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Atom with higher atomic number produce X-rays of shorter wavelength, large wavelength, constant wavelength, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Shorter wavelength. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQs.